What's going on, YouTube? Rohit back with another video. Just wanted to make a little POV for you guys. We just hit 1,300 subscribers. We're already at 1,301. I appreciate all the support you guys have been pouring on this channel. There you go. A little bit of sound for you guys in the morning. Yep. But I appreciate all the support we've gotten. It's been insane. You guys have been the best. This channel has really grown in the span of what, 2 years now? Yeah, 2 years, pretty much. And yeah, so let's go ahead, and not even 2 years actually, just a year and a half, because we haven't even gotten past 2 years on this channel. I started in 2023, so we've only gone 1 year from when I started. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and let's go ahead and just cruise a little bit out in this nice weather. It's finally really nice outside, no rain, no nothing. So I can finally put it in like sport mode and just cruise and listen to that wine. That wine is so good. It sounds so good too. But let's see if we can make this light or not. Yeah, let's hope we can. Oh wow, that lane is all the clogged up. Usually it's this lane. Oh well, pass them all. Does not matter. But yeah, all I'm doing on this channel now is just POV content. So if you guys like that kind of thing, it's not really anything crazy. It's just gonna be POV drives, and I don't know what I'll be doing. I'm probably just talking and stuff. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I do have another channel now. I have it in my posts on YouTube, and you can see I have a skit channel, or like comedy skits or sketches, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, so if you guys want to see those too, I got those in my posts of this channel. So yeah, hopefully you guys like that kind of stuff. Just trying different avenues, you know what I mean, like seeing what I can do on YouTube. But I'm definitely not abandoning this channel, don't worry about that. Wow, that wine. Oh my God, that sound. All right, well, we're about to turn, and I'll probably cut off the video after we go up this hill, and then I'll come back to you guys in a moment. So I gotta do something real quick. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. All right, we're back. Now we just gotta listen to that wine. Oh, buddy, that thing sounds good. Y'all hear that thing? That thing sounds so good. The best sound. Oops. I turned on my radio because they got the inputs for the radio and stuff there on the side. It's kind of weird, honestly, but I don't know why they do it. Oh, we got Texas in front. Hopefully they drive fast. You know, we know how Texas people drive. Hopefully. I don't know if they will, but maybe they will. That sounds good. That's a good way to get you up in the morning, isn't it? Alright. Oh my God, this guy just pulled in front like that. Really? I hate people like that, bro. Well, it is what it is. Really can't do anything. Oh, they got construction, so I better stay in this lane. That guy's going for it in the right lane. I wouldn't go for it, bro. I don't think they're gonna let you in. He got in. Wow. I guess it was possible. I wouldn't have tried it. Nobody would let me in. You know how they are. Whenever they see a fast car, they never want to be accommodating. That's what I feel. Oh, look at that Camaro. Gold and everything. I think kind of clean. It's an old one too, but it looks... I think the old Camaros look better than the new ones. I don't know if I'm alone on that, but I think they look a lot better. I just like old style cars, you know. That's why I like Dodge, because they all look oldie. They don't look new. I mean, I don't mind this non-upgraded interior, you know. I like it. It's just how it works. But yeah, this traffic's insane right now. But can't really go anywhere. That sound. Well, alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's little POV drive. I know it wasn't that long, probably not as eventful, but like I said, I'm doing this just for POVs now. I'm not trying to do for much crazy stuff, just chill and listen to the whine and stuff. But if you guys like this type of video anyway, please like the video, and also remember to subscribe to the channel if you want more of this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.